This is Dairy Queen's new Blizzard of the month for January. It's the Oreo Snowdrift Blizzard. It's supposed to be a blue cake batter, marshmallow swirl, Oreo infused Blizzard. And I'll just try it out. There's not much else to say. I'm a big fan of Blizzards. Had them a bunch throughout my childhood. There it is. Immediately, lots of cake batter flavor. I think it's coming from the blue syrup that they use, because the Dairy Queen soft serve is like, it's always the regular thing, right? But I saw the guy have like a little bottle of blue syrup. He drizzled that on there, mixed it up, but it tastes really good. I don't taste too much of the marshmallow though. I'm looking for it. But this is a really delicious ice cream on its own. I've always been a fan of Oreos and ice cream. Like, you know, going back to the McFlurry. Or anything, really. Wasn't there like an Oreo ice cream cake? I think they still make it. I like when you get the nice bigger pieces of Oreo. And unfortunately, it's not as like of a swirly color as I would have hoped for it to be. It's just a little knock on it. I think you can kind of see how it's mixed with mostly blue, but the pictures make it look a lot nicer in like the ratio between blue and white. Maybe there's just the tiniest hint of marshmallow. But mostly it's just cake batter, vanilla, and Oreo flavor. All right, so reviewing this Blizzard was a lot less uneventful than I would have thought. But I'll just get some thoughts out there. I'm gonna try to do more of just all sorts of type of food, all sorts of types, all sorts of food. So whether it's just like a short review like this, I think some of you guys might be interested anyways. All right, just like one more bite. Let's do a really big bite. Maybe I'll get brain freeze. I'm okay. But yeah, Dairy Queen's Oreo Snowdrift Blizzard. It's a lot less uneventful than I would have thought, or I would have hoped it to be. I don't know what I was thinking of. It's ice cream. Nevertheless, it is still a new release, and I'm just letting you guys know about it. If you're in the mood for ice cream, whether it's cold or hot where you are, it's a new thing to try. It basically just tastes like a McFlurry with Oreos with a little bit of cake batter flavor with it. All right, thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.